So today, Bruce, we're gonna put back the bed of my son because they removed it before. Because somebody were gonna use this room and he don't want them to use his bed, so he hired it for a while. So now Bruce, we're gonna put them all back. So he's doing a DIY on the bed right now. Do you need any tools? Or you have your tools? Oh yeah, you
right
do.
Now I'm just putting the frame together.
Okay, and then figure it
when
out
I need
later.
it.
Okay. There we go. See, there's our daddy, DIY daddy.
What?
It's almost fell in front of me. It will kill my nail. OMG. It's just fast. Oh, it's a reaction of my body that catch it. I hope I saw it. They saw it here. Oh my gosh. That's a good thing of, what do you call that? Reflex. It's a fast one. Oh, I can't even believe I catch that one. Because I'm standing in here and let's look at this. Oh my god, it will fall on my foot. Okay, what are you doing now?
Just tightening up the hardware around the bed frame.
Okay. Yeah, can you imagine this is the one that fall on my feet if ever? OMG. I'm just gonna move. And my husband put some patches on that. My son will gonna not like it.
Well, if you didn't videotape it, he wouldn't know.
Well, I came in here and I saw it. It's like, oh no, that doesn't look good. I will not like that. But that's it for now. We cannot do anything. So I already put the frames together. So I think the next step will gonna be put this
Slats.
slats. Okay. Why it's loose? Okay.
Okay.
Loose and loose now. Tightening up the frame.
Okay, frame.
Okay. Because first he said it's slats. Okay, the slats now. So it's like every time we come here in Las Vegas, he needs to do something. I think it's the job of the dad. Is that should be the way or backward? Yeah, so just need to be moved more
Okay.
up here. Yeah, it's not separated. Just need to put here.
Before I actually attach the slats, I'm going to attach the legs
Okay.
to the bottom of the slats.
Okay. Yeah, there's some the black legs in there. Okay.
Slats to the frame.
Nakauna ba ito?
This
not
isn't king.
full.
If it was king,
Maybe it's a queen.
I don't think it's in
Oh,
that.
okay. Well,
Okay.
there you
Now
go.
we just need his sheets.
So now we need to put this bed sheet and we're good.
Next thing I'm putting up is his
Okay.
wardrobe for
Okay.
his uniforms.
This time my husband is fixing this
Wardrobe.
wardrobe hanger. Just putting all of them back before my son will be here.
Hardware before I.
Okay. Okay. Sure tells you just need to put it first and then tight them. Okay. Yeah, so bed is done. We'll just put the cover later. And then fix everything here before my son will be back. At least he's not gonna think about putting stuff. He's not gonna worried about it, you know. Daddy's already fixed it. And today we're also thinking of going somewhere, but I think we're not gonna finish everything because we're gonna do another one later on downstairs. So he's just finishing it now.
Okay, this is done.
Okay.
Bed is done.
Bed is there.
Hanger's done.
So
I think only make the bed and he'll have his room back.
yeah, and then we'll put out the other stuff here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so finally we start cleaning this room. And we put all those together already. I don't know where his bed sheet goes, so we'll just put like this for now. And there you go. So at least you got something later when he arrives. You fix his bathroom, put some stuff in here for him. And there you go. So this is the back of my son's backyard. Very, very small. So what we will do is we're gonna put a cover because my son have a dog. So we're gonna just cover it with this one. Okay. Okay. Bruce is just finishing. No hand. Okay. Yeah, it's just very soft one. So if it's a hard wire, I think it's better. But dog can still go out on that side, so we need still to put one more wire.